Now we put the leader and then press start. Now we see the machine working. Now it's air extraction working. And nitrogen flash working, SANEU working, and tray out. And then we see finish the Kcup pod. Now we testing with the oxygen baby made in Germany. Oh. 99.3 and second. $99.1. $99.6. Okay, last one. $98.9. Okay, we see the technical specification of machine. Now this is nitrogen flash time and air extraction time, same time. Here the setting temperature 195. Now we see the nitrogen pressure. Now it's 0.43. And the air is 0.8 plus. Remember, this is nitrogen tuber.